Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, hi, my name is Tamika, and in this channel we get into all things fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff, but #affordable, because I'm all about affordability. And if that is something that you guys are interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And let's just hop right into this video. Okay guys, so as you can tell by the title, I have picked up a few items from the drugstore of choice. Today is Harmon's, and I just happened to go there because I was looking for, I went there to look for another product that I wanted to review, but they didn't have it. Instead, I found this, because you know that always happens when you go to the store for one thing, they don't have it, but you end up leaving with other things that you didn't need. That's what happened. So I happened to come across these products, and they are called, it's by a brand called Moira Beauty, and I picked up a few things here. And now this is a brand that I've never heard of. So I thought maybe this was a new brand, but I went ahead and did a little bit more research before I came on here. I was like, this is a brand new brand that I found at Harmon's, and it was like, no girl, this has been around for quite some time now. I'm not really sure how long, but I've seen, of course, you know, when you want to look something up, the first place you go is YouTube to see if there's any other videos regarding the product, and there happened to be a few, but some were even as far back as last year. So I'm not really sure how old this brand is, but the Harmon that I went to just decided to add this line to their store, and so I just went ahead and decided to go ahead and pick some things up just to review and see what it's like, and if it's any good, and if I would recommend it to you guys. So let's hop right into what this brand is. So like I said, the brand is called Moira, or Moira Beauty if you're like going online, or on their Instagram page. On their Instagram, they're Moira Cosmetics. Now I thought that was a very interesting name, because you know the only Moira I know is the very classic Moira.
This is your Bebe Jocelyn, and an artistic cradle robber. I am not.
That one. Love her, but this is a different type of Moira. So we're getting into some beauty here. So I picked up an eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is called Soul of Fire. And this palette is basically just mattes and shimmers. It's got a nice size mirror in here as well. But yeah, I think this is a really pretty palette. I love the inside of it. The packaging is really pretty. Like the inside of the palette, it's got like a butterfly as the background, and it's just really like eye-catching. It's very pretty to look at. Next up, we have this little small, this is a blushing goddess duo, so there's two blushes in here. So as you can see, we've got two shades in here. This is kind of like a rosy mauve down here, and then this one up here is a little bit more red. Okay, and then the last thing I picked up from them is this Go Me Hard highlighting palette, which I thought was really pretty. But yeah, as you can see, I already have most of my face done, so we're just gonna hop right into creating a look with this, with these items, and seeing how they work out, if they're any good, or if I recommend them. So let's just hop right into it. I feel like I just want to do something simple, and I want to play with the glitters that are in this palette, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put glitter all over my eyes. Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so first, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go into this brown shade right here. And apply that into the crease, but because it's a little bit dark, I'm gonna go in with a light hand and see what that's giving me. So it's definitely a cooler brown that you can see there. Hopefully you can see it, but it's definitely a cooler brown, which I think would be perfect for like putting more definition in the crease. And for the outer corners, I really like these kinds of browns, especially for the outer corner. But today, we're using it as a crease shade, just for a little bit of definition, so we can see the separation between this and the glitter, or the shimmer, I should say. I'm kind of going in and pulling it out on the ends just to wing it a little bit. And then with a clean brush, I'm just going to go right over the top just to buff out the edges so it's not like a harsh line. Alright, and I think I'm gonna go in with this glitter right here, which is like a deep green. I'm just gonna use my finger and place that all over my eye. I like that. Alright, and then just for a little pop of lightness in the center of the eye, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Just for a little pop of color, I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here and place that on the bottom lash line. Alright, and then for a pop of color on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this gold right here. Alright, and so far that's it for the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, but really quickly, I forgot that I had this blush and I went ahead and applied blush before starting this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and put more on because what's more blush? It never hurt anybody, right? I'm gonna go in with this pink one right here. So now for the highlighting palette, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go in with this second one right here, which is more like a champagne gold. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my face with lashes and a lip, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, so this is the completed finished look. As you can see, I did not go in with lashes or a bold lipstick. I just put mascara on my natural lashes, and I went in for lips. I went in with the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipsticks in the shade Quartz Candy, and on top of that I put glaze. So Quartz Candy is like just clear and glaze is like a neutral nude color, but it basically just looks like a gloss because these are really shiny lipsticks. But yeah, this is the completed look using these Neewer products. I think these are pretty cool. Like I said, this is my first time hearing about this. I'm not really sure how long they've been around, but they didn't just come out like last month. You get what I'm saying? Very affordable at the drugstore. Like I said, I got this from Harmon's. If I didn't mention already in the beginning, the eyeshadow palette was $18.99. The highlight palette was $16.99, and this little mini blush duo is $6.99. I mean, yeah, the packaging is beautiful. Like I said, the colors pop. The presentation is just really pretty. But yeah, I would definitely say go ahead and check this out. Now on the website, now it's not just only makeup, they actually offer skincare, all of that stuff too. Cleansers, toners, moisturizers, face masks, all that type of stuff. So if that's something that you guys are interested in and want to go ahead and check it out, definitely check the link down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video, and I hope you liked it. If you did like it, be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That will definitely help my channel out a lot. Don't forget to comment, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join this little family, all that good stuff. And if you guys like videos like these, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, anything like that, be sure to stick around for the end cards. I've got some other videos that you guys can go ahead and check out as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.